How to fix Snapchat microphone not working. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and move into apps. In the source bar, search for the application Snapchat and then move into it. In this page, you have to make sure that the option microphone is toggled on. If not, simply turn on this option. Once it has been turned on, the next thing you want to try doing is head over to your app store. Search for Snapchat and then move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you're having this issue. If that's the case, tap on update and update your app. Once you have got the updated version, the next thing you want to try doing is once again move into settings and head over to general. Move into iPhone storage. Scroll down and head over to Snapchat. In this page, tap on Offload App. Once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Snapchat, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.